This was the moment I thought we were about to lose our drone. We had just finished our first real snorkel near a tiny island off Negril. Dad launched for some shots. The wind said no. The boat kept moving. The screen said no forward motion. He looked at Captain Mike. I held my breath. Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm part of the Wander crew. My dad is a single dad on a mission to take us to every continent and all 7 wonders. If you like real family travel, subscribe. New episodes every Saturday. Captain Mike invited us out on his glass-bottom boat and hosted this trip, and what you hear is our experience. This is our first real snorkel. Dad hadn't snorkeled since he was a teen in a pool, but we had never tried. Captain Mike was exactly who we needed, calm and patient. He knew the reef. He had masks, fins, and life jackets ready. I felt safe since the second we stepped on.
Yeah, if you look out, you'll see like the light patches and dark patches out here.
Yeah.
All the light patches will be sandy bottom, and then the dark patches when you're closer in will be seagrass. That's it right now, I think. And then deeper out it'll be reef.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can start.
Oh, hey, do you know what? I should ask you guys a question. Okay. And this is a really important question for people who have not come to Jamaica yet. So as Jamaicans, you guys are primed for answering this question. All right?
Actually, I gotta confess.
Uh-oh.
I have family who lives here, but I'm not actually. She's from Jamaica.
Really?
You can still get the question.
Yeah, you can still get the question. Okay. This is the question.
All right.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Thinking caps on? Okay. Juicy or tasty? Which one's better?
It depends, because usually, like, if you're going into Kingston, Tasty's is better, but like juicy in country is better, and you're probably having it in country. Like,
So what's the
Juicy's
difference
here-
between in the city and in the country then?
I
Like,
don't
how
know.
is- I thought
think
they
it's
were
just
the
maybe-
same.
I think it's just maybe like who's making them, or like. No, but juicy's like juicy in Ochi or in Spanish Town is probably better than juicy's in Kingston. If you're in Kingston, it's definitely Tasty's houses.
Okay. So we got mixed review.
Mixed reviews, it depends on where you are.
All right, depends on where you are. So if you're in Negril, which one's better?
I
Juicy.
haven't been here as much as you have, so
Okay. And if well go to Kingston on the weekend,
tasty.
tasty, and then we're gonna go to Portland afterwards. Juicy. Juicy again. Okay, there we go. Now we know what we gotta eat and when.
We started simple. Bite the snorkel, make the seal, float, and breathe slow.
Sarah, you need to take off your shirt and your pants.
Oh, yeah. I'm so smart.
SMRT smart. You're smart.
Captain Mike stayed on the boat and kept an eye on Grandma. Mason slipped into the water and showed us what to do. And Keiko helped us film. All 3 of us kids wore life jackets, but Dad was a strong swimmer, so he didn't. My mask leaked a little at first, and it was hard to get used to breathing through the tube. But it wasn't long before I got the hang of it. Lift, clear, press, breathe. And then it was fine. Then it clicked. The water went calm in my head. Slow kicks, easy breaths. We stayed about 45 minutes to an hour. We saw lots of fish, bright blues, yellow stripes, and the shape of coral under us. We checked on each other with little thumbs up. When we finished, Dad launched the drone for some shots of the reef, the ocean, and the boat. That's when it happened. The boat was going, but the drone wasn't catching up anymore. Dad was trying to bring the drone in, but the wind pushed back. The boat kept moving. The controller said no forward motion. My stomach dropped. Dad asked Captain Mike to turn us around. Then Isaac reached up and hand caught the drone like a boss. If you're picking a first snorkel in Negril, or you're a pro, choose Captain Mike. He keeps things calm, explains every step, and watches the water the whole time. He had masks, fins, and life jackets ready, and he let Dad stay with us instead of fussing over cameras. Mason showed us what to look for, and Keiko helped us film. It felt safe, simple, and fun. We put Captain Mike's contact info in the description with our recommendations. Big thanks to Captain Mike for hosting us, and to Mason and Keiko for the underwater help. If you're in Negril, they are definitely the best choice. When we asked around, the typical local quotes were about $40 US per person. With gear, but prices change, so ask locally and make sure you're getting the best deal. Back on the beach, we were happy, tired. We headed for lunch at our table and told Dad our favorite fish. It was a good morning. Next episode, we went out to explore Negril, and somehow ended up in Savannah Lamar, having a conversation we didn't expect. There were uniforms, a few questions, and, well, we'll tell you next time. Until then, keep exploring.